What's up guys, if you wanna choose player positioning during corner kicks in EA Sports FC 26 Ultimate Team, here's what you need to do. First, go to your club and open your squad. Once you are there, press the left stick to open team management on the left side of the screen. Then go to tactics. Now use right bumper on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation to switch over to the assignments tab. If you scroll down, you will see several corner kick options. Under the attacking section, you will find roles like target player, near post, back post, top of the box and defensive corner. These let you decide where each player will position themselves when you are taking a corner. Then below that, you also have defensive options, things like threat marker, post watcher, near post and back post. You can select any of these roles and assign a player from your team. If a player is already assigned to another role, you can easily switch their positions around. Once you are done adjusting everything, just go back and make sure to save your changes so that your setup stays in place. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.